Hello. In this video, I will review the custom MACD indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. This indicator is an improved version of the MACD indicator, which displays the main MACD line with blue yellows and the signal line with a red line. We can use this indicator in such a way that when a crossover occurs between the main line and the signal line, we consider an upward crossover as a buy signal and a downward crossover as a sell signal. Let's go.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
Over the settings of this indicator together. The first option in the settings is the fast moving average period, which is the moving average with a shorter period that we can specify here. The second option is the slow moving average period, which is the moving average with a longer period that we can specify here. And the third option is the signal line ISIS period, which we can specify here. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. You can also use the MT4 version of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Let's see the live test of this indicator on the MetaTrader 4 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.